Thai curry sauce made with the richest and freshest of spices and ingredients, complementing crispy tofu in my vegetable katsu curry. Hi everyone, this is Darshi and welcome to my Sugarush Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a vegetable katsu curry. Katsu means cutlets. So in this recipe, I'm going to use tofu to make crispy cutlets, which will be topped with a flavorful curry sauce, which is going to taste epic. So let's start by making the curry sauce. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 medium-sized onion chopped, cook this for about 1 minute. Now I'm going to add 3 cloves of garlic sliced and a 1-inch piece of ginger sliced. I'm going to allow this to cook for about 2 minutes. I'm now going to add 1 carrot roughly chopped. And I'm now going to add my secret ingredient, green apple. Green apple usually gives a subtle sweet taste and also a bit of tangинess, and it also helps thicken the sauce. Now I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of Simba mbili curry powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of Garam masala, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Now I'm adding 3 cups of vegetable broth. And some salt to taste. I'm going to cook this for about 10 minutes until the carrots are soft and tender. The carrots are now soft and tender. I'm going to switch off the gas and add 1 cup of cold water. Now I'm going to add the curry mix to a blender. I'm now going to blend this until it's completely smooth. Now I'm going to add the curry back to the pot. Add 1 cup of water, 1 potato and 1 carrot. Now I'm going to allow this to cook for 5 minutes. I'm now going to add 3/4 cups of coconut cream and 1/2 teaspoon salt. I'm going to allow this to cook on very low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes until the potatoes and carrots are all tender. Now to make the tofu cutlets, I have all-purpose flour, I have eggs and breadcrumbs. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt and pepper to the egg. So first coat the tofu in flour, then dip it in the egg mix, and then coat it in the breadcrumbs. I'm going to repeat the same with all the tofu. Now I'm going to cook the tofu cutlets, and for that I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of oil to my pan. Add the cutlets. Allow this to slowly cook all the sides until the coating outside is nice, crispy and golden brown. My tofu cutlets are now ready. My curry is also now ready. Let's start plating. So I'm going to serve the katsu curry with jasmine rice. Add the tofu cutlets. Add the curry. And finally top it with some broccoli shoots. My vegetable katsu curry is now ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to your experience on this recipe in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more.